Hi everyone. For those of you who were asking what makes my rig tick, well, today I'm going to show you what are the parts that I use to make this awesome rig. First, I'm going to show you the motherboard that I use, which is the Z690 plus Wi-Fi D4. Okay. And I paired it with this super fast i7 from Intel. This is the i7 12700K, which I'm actually cooling with this NH-D15 from Noctua. This is a D-type premium cooler, which has a double tower. You can also have options for 2 fans, which is this one. See? And for the GPU, as you can see there, I used to use a Gaming Z GeForce RTX, which is a 3080. This is the 10 gig LHR version, which was awarded last year. For the fans, like the front fans, I use the 140 of Noctua. And for the upper fans here, I also use the one fan of the NF-A12x25 which is that one on top. I really have to make it slim so that it will have the best, the better room for all those cables, those motherboard power cables that I use. Better clearance as well. Well, this is a live video, and you can also hear the audible sound of the fans that they're actually just creating. Not much, it's very comfortable to the ear. Very comfortable while you're doing your games. These here are the Noctua NF-A12x15. Sorry, X25. The one here. This is the Chromax version. They also have the original beige and brown version of this. But for this, which I actually used previously in my other build, but with this one, I mostly use the Chromax version of the fans that I use here. This is the Chromax version of my build, except for those 2 fans there. Just like I'm just giving the accent for the GPU fan support, which I really love to use. I use this master fan MF120 Halo. I use 2 of these. Yeah, use 2 of these fans down there. For the power supply, since this MSI GeForce RTX 3080 needs a 750 watt power by default, so it's always good to just put in a bit higher, at least 1 step higher of the power supply. So there, I use Rogue Strix 850W, which is It's 80 plus gold, and its power is very stable. Sorry for the raw video. Let's just give you a quick view of the parts that I use. For the M.2, I actually use one Renegade Kingston Fury M.2 NVMe SSD as my primary M.2 drive, which is very good. This is a PCIe 4 already version, quite fast, similar to the Samsung's. In this I have a secondary drive, which is an NV1 250 gig from another one from Kingston, another solid drive from Kingston. This is a PCIe 3 version, which is also good, you know, to putting in games and stuff. I have also other HDD from Seagate with this 3.5 drives inside there. And for the RAM, for the RAM sticks there, you can barely see because of this humongous NH-D15 cooler that I have there. I used a Trident, a G.Skill Trident RGB, that one, which is this one. It's actually good, you know, actually good for the DDR4 version of my motherboard. This is a 36. This is a 3600. As you see there, and a decent CL, class latency over there. Not sure if you can see it clearly. There you go. So yep, that's everything. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe, and always remember, we can always together we tweak.